since sources say that, quote, he would like to pay any price to get rid of this lawsuit, end quote.
That we have to deal with, along with whatever right for lawsuits various parties may have in the United States. So I'll get you. First of all, we deeply regret that the government of Indonesia and the Free Aceh movement forfeited a rare opportunity to advance a peace process with the assistance of the international community. It's our judgment that the possible avenues to a peaceful resolution were not fully explored at the Tokyo conference, and that steps incompatible with a determined approach to negotiations undermined the process. That we have to deal with, along with whatever right for lawsuits various parties may have in the United States. The United States maintains its support for the territorial integrity of Indonesia and for the peaceful resolution of the Aceh conflict based on special autonomy. At the same time, it does regard the problem of Aceh as one that is not amenable to a solution by use of military force. We call on the two parties to return to the negotiating process as soon as possible. We also
Sessions. In other words, he seems to be conditioning a strengthening of security on actions